So we're here at the Otone Fitness Studio, and the fitness director is Ranil Harshana. Obviously, you must be knowing if you've been joining us. And so let's get down to work. Right?
Yeah, so we are going to continue with our muscle isolation.
Now comes the voice.
Yeah.
You couldn't do the welcoming part properly.
Yeah.
All right.
That's your job. Right.
Right.
So what we're
going to be talking
Yeah,
about?
we're going to do about the back area, back region. So we're going to cover the upper back region, the mid back, and the lower back.
This is still part of the muscle isolation.
So we are giving some options.
Okay.
Right, to burn calories and tone up the muscles. Yeah. Right. So
Basically,
first machine.
yeah.
Basically, yeah.
And what is this contraption?
So this is actually called like a dual cable crossover.
Right.
So you can do any exercise or any movement you wish to do.
Any exercise?
Any exercise, practically anything. Because we got like attachments,
Right.
like the straps, so you can do any exercise you want on this machine. So
And basically it would cover the back and the arms.
today we are covering like only the chest and the back actually.
Right.
So
but with the cable, the dual
you
cable
can cover the
cross,
entire body, like from
with the
your
entire body.
entire body,
like
from
even your legs.
legs, abdominals, you name it, you can cover. Like,
All right. Well, if you're a gym enthusiast, you ought to know more about these, unlike us. But anyway, for you, everyone out there who doesn't really know, well, this is a dual cable cross. It's very big. It's not from here, is it?
No, it's
you
from
got
the
it
US.
imported.
Yeah, it's from
Right.
the US. But this
Are these
replaces-
available here?
Not here.
Right.
But you have like equivalent equipment based in Sri Lanka as well. So.
All right. So let's get started.
Okay, the first one we're going to cover the
It's so
laterals.
Ooh, it's huge.
Okay, let me put you.
And what are these numbers and the weights? How do you?
So this
work
actually
these?
in this particular machine, like it goes by kilos and pounds.
Okay.
So the right side will be on pounds, and like the equivalent is like the amount of kilos, roughly. Yeah.
Right.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to cover the laterals right there,
Right.
the side of your back. So you're going to bend down slightly, right, and you're going to pull it down all the way, right, and you're going to exhale.
Okay.
As you pull down, you exhale,
Right.
and you're going to bring it down.
Well, that seems simple enough.
Yeah, it's pretty
I
simple.
hope.
Yeah. Pretty simple. Just check the weight is comfortable.
I can just reach it.
Okay.
Right.
You want me to lower it a bit? Yeah, you can lower it a bit. Yeah.
Do you think it'll be easy for me to do it like that? I don't know.
Yeah, you
As
can just
fitness
try. Yeah,
director.
you can.
Alright.
Yeah, you can just try it. If not, we can modify it. Yeah.
And my legs.
Yeah, you can bend it slightly.
Right.
Let's go down a bit. Get closer to the machine. Right. That's perfect. Right. And thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, yeah. Now you're gonna bring your elbows down slightly. Right. And stomach in as usual. Right. You're gonna bring it out. It's too heavy for you. Yeah. Yeah. Just will reduce the weight. Okay. Just release it.
Right.
Okay. This should be comfortable. Right. And you're gonna pull it down.
Pull it down.
Yeah, put it down from the elbows, yeah?
Yeah, this is
Stomach
easier.
in, bend, yeah. Bend your knees, bend your knees, bend your knees slightly. Right. So
Do I
that's
have to like lock my knees as I come up or anything
No,
like that, or
just
just?
stay fixed, yeah. Stay fixed, yeah. Because your isolation is right there,
Ah,
as you can see.
got it.
Oh, yes, you can feel, yeah?
I can feel it. True.
Okay, good. And
I can
to-
especially feel it in my arms, the upper part of the arm.
Yeah, upper arm, but thing is like don't grip it too tightly, then you're working more on the arms. So what I want you to do, focus on the elbows and these muscles, right? And you're going to pull it down and breathe it out, okay? So you want to face the camera, you can turn around and do it. That's the beauty of this machine. Okay.
Well, hello there.
Okay, so you're going to bend down slightly.
Okay.
Right.
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 Got it.
Yep. Stomach in, and you're going to bring it down slowly.
I still feel like
That's
I'm
it.
moving it too much with my arms.
Yeah, then we can reduce the weight because you are not used to this particular movement. Yeah. So why don't you turn around so it's easier, right? It'll be
Is
easier.
it easy if I turn around?
Yeah, it'll be easier
So
because
for-
I just want to. I mean, if you want to face the camera, you can do that. Or
No,
like
but if
ideally,
people are starting out, they usually turn
yeah, turn
towards this.
Yeah, turn against this. Yeah. So
And one more question: will I develop like muscles like yours?
No,
Because I
actually-
really don't want those.
and like for females, it's all up to like the
Right.
hormones because you guys have estrogen, so there's no possible medical way
Yes,
of
we
yeah.
guys have estrogen, right? And how?
winner.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for how long do we have to work on the dual cable cross for it to be
No, I mean
effective?
for each muscle group you can do, as I was mentioning on our previous program, it'll be about 10 repetitions into 3 sets. That'll be a good range to work on for an average person. Okay, got it?
Got it.
Okay. Okay. Now we're going to move from that exercise.
Right.
Okay.
Are we still on the dual cable
Yeah,
cross?
so
Okay.
yeah. You can use the bands for, as we've seen on previous programs.
Right, I see so many different types of exercises that you can actually
Yeah,
work
these
on
are
it.
like,
It says the whole range like abdominal crunch, single arm tricep, whatnot.
Squat,
This is-
like abdominal crunch. These are like few of the exercises, but there are plenty. Like you can name it 100. So even walking,
Right.
like I train athletes with like different movements. So it's like you got plenty of options. Right, let me put this down.
Okay.
Don't mind getting to the side. Now we're going to hit the upper back, right? So you're going to do the same thing.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry. Right. So what you're going to do, right? You're going to bend down slightly, and you're going to pull it in.
Okay.
So you can do both together, or you can isolate it. So you can do it simultaneously. So you can make your pick and go for it.
All
Okay.
right. And this is fine for absolutely any age group, kids and
Any
kids,
age group,
right?
yeah, depending on the weight and the technique is fine. So
So just pull.
yeah, and just move back a bit. The way, yeah, move back so that you feel the tension, right? So you're gonna
What about the handles? Should they be horizontal? or
horizontal.
vertical?
Yeah, I mean it doesn't matter because
doesn't
it's automatically get adjusted. Yeah. Okay, you can try it both together. Pull both together, both arms together.
I think doing
Come
it both together is
Yeah.
a bit more challenging,
Challenging,
than doing
yeah.
it one at a time.
Okay, and you're right. It's fun, yeah.
I'm doing it both ways.
Yeah.
Woo.
And try not to knock the weight, right?
Uh-huh.
Don't release it completely, and you're gonna pull it back.
Not
Okay.
release it completely.
Completely
just
because you're resting the weight. Okay, so you're in this particular exercise we are trying to maintain the tension of the muscle throughout the repetitions. Yeah. So you're gonna breathe it out and pull it. That's it. Go. Okay. Right. Good.
especially for a dual cable cross, it looks pretty dangerous to work with if you don't know how to work on it properly. So yes,
Yeah, that's,
supervising is necessary.
In this machine, supervising is really necessary
Right.
because it replaces all the traditional weight training equipment in the conventional gyms.
Like the dumbbell, the barbells, all of
No,
that.
no, no, not that, because what you see in like normal conventional gyms, you get like a lot of like leg extension machines, chest press machines. Though those are quite safe if you're doing isolation.
Right.
But in this machine, I would prefer if you have supervision. Yeah.
It combines
Yeah.
quite a few equipments.
Yeah. Actually, it combines all the equipment into one machine. Okay. Right.
I'm
Okay.
done.
Good. Okay, next one, we're gonna pull it down a bit. Put the bars down a bit. So this is the beauty of this machine. It saves time. You can work in any range, any level of fitness. Right. Next one, what you're gonna do, the same thing in a different angle. You're gonna bend down and you're gonna pull it back. So if you remember from the previous program, we did like something like picking up an object.
Yes.
So right, if you want to combine, we can do that as well.
Uh-huh.
But in this particular instance, we're going to isolate the muscles, right?
Yeah.
So you're going to pull it back, okay?
Okay.
Slightly pull it back.
But with the picking up object exercise, on that we were working on the legs.
Mainly the legs, but it's like more of a functional movement because you're using like multi muscles and multi-jointed,
Right.
equivalent to a day-to-day movement.
But with this, all right, Vanil has been pulling and doing the whole cable cross thing. So it's my turn now.
Of course.
Of
yeah.
course, it's
Go
my
for it,
turn.
yeah.
Of course, it's my turn. By the way, did you increase the weights?
I don't think so.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm positive. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. These are the different angles, so that's why you're feeling it. Yeah.
So just pull.
Move back first.
Right.
Yeah. So what I want you to do, bend your knees slightly again, stomach in. Okay. So get your elbows back. That's about it. So
That's
you
it?
can. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Just pull.
Yeah, just pull. Okay, just pull. So and keep your elbows closer to the body. And you'll be working on this region. Yeah.
Right.
And your rear delts and the mid back. Yeah, you should feel it. Yeah. Okay. So if you want to increase the challenge, you can lean forward slightly.
Not really.
Not really. Okay. Up to your comfort zone. Okay. So as the viewers can see, like you'll be working right there. Feel it, and breathe it out. Okay. Go. 8 more. Go.
8
7.
more.
6. 5.
And even this, I can actually face the other way and do it too. Not this.
Not this one. Yeah.
Right. So do all the heavy lifters actually work on this?
Yep.
And the moms?
All of them, from kids to grandmas to athletes to you name it.
Ooh. So if Arnold Schwarzenegger was here, he would actually work on this.
I don't think the weights would be enough for him, but we have the free weights for that.
So like the bigger guys work with the
The bottom end, yeah, depending on
30.
their goal, yeah.
31s.
Yeah, 31s, 30s, like.
What do you work with?
Personally, I work around like 20, 25, yeah, in that range.
And I'm doing a 5.
Yeah, it's, I mean, you have to progress, right? This is your first day, so it'll take some time. Okay, that's
All
enough.
right,
Yeah.
that's enough. And with the muscle developing thing, I've noticed that a lot of guys out there, well, they're very, very, how do I say it in a nice way? They're very underdeveloped arms, and they really, really want to like buff it up. But nothing ever really happens for some guys.
Yeah.
Why is that?
The reason is like you need to have a proper program for that, and the amount of repetition, the amount of weight you lift, and like amount of rest, your nutrition, and the technique, and how often do you work out. All those factors come into it, and especially the genetics comes into it as well.
Right.
So for example, for like a normal Asian structure, if you want to be Arnold Schwarzenegger, it's never going to happen. Let me put it that way. Yeah.
All right.
You be within your age. You try to be best you are. So.
And doesn't the metabolism,
Metabolism.
right? That
Yeah.
actually plays a role.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
Yeah. So it varies. Like, and the nutrition plays a vital role, and the resting if your target is to build up. Yeah.
Right. So what happens if there are a lot of people, a girl, a guy, whoever, they don't eat much, but they still just can't
Work
seem to
out.
lose the weight.
Lose the weight or lose the fat?
Lose the fat. Is there a difference?
Different, yeah.
Right.
When you're considering the weight, it will consider your like lean mass as well,
Right.
your water retention, and your fat as well. So if you are targeting about losing the fat, that's a different ballgame altogether. So you need to be specific on what you
Well,
want.
that's
to lose.
interesting. All right. So just because you don't eat doesn't mean you lose fat.
Nope. So you're going to preserve more fat as a last source of energy. So you'll be going down on the scale, and you'll be
Right.
wasting so much of your muscle tissue for energy.
So what we're actually losing is muscle and
Tissue, yeah.
perhaps
and water,
if you're
yeah.
dehydrated, water.
Water, exactly. You're getting it now.
And that's not a good thing.
That's not a good thing. Yeah.
All right.
So that's why you need to blend it up properly.
Well, that's an interesting fact. I hope our viewers were watching and listening. And no, starvation is not an advisable method of dieting.
No. You can ask anyone. Not even me. Anyone, like ask the doctors or
The medical
the
field,
medical
right.
professional. Like,
But it just
yeah.
seems to work so well, Ranil. You know, you're about to go for a party that's like, say, I don't know, 8 days away, and you really want to lose some weight, and
Yeah.
what you do is you don't eat.
Yeah. So what happens? Like you're going to lose the muscle mass. Your muscle is much more heavier than the your fat. Obviously, on the scale, if you don't eat, you're going to lose the muscle tissue. So you'll be happy on the scale, but actually you'll be preserving more fat as a last source of energy.
But in the long run, it's not
Yeah.
very good for
It's
you.
not very good. Not in the long run, in the short run as well.
In the short run. Well, in the short run, actually, there is an added advantage. Like I said, for a party,
Okay.
you'll have an absolutely amazing figure.
Yeah, but the thing is, like, still your fat will be shaking. Yeah. So,
What do you mean? All right, let's move on with the show. What
Right.
else?
So next one we can do.
We've
use the
hardly
dumbbell.
done anything, and I'm almost perspiring. This dual cable cross probably actually works. And if all of you, want to lose some weight and do some heavy lifting, some muscle isolation, whatever, I'm sure Ronnie will get very, very creative with your Haute Couture Fitness custom program. You can come down and get
It's
working.
like you can email like the Prime TV if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer.
Right,
as well, yeah?
primetv.lk. That's our website.
Yep.
Right.
So like
And
this,
next?
this is another progression if the viewers want to check it out. So if you want to move from
Is
isolation.
this an advanced?
Advanced, yeah. This
right,
is
so
advanced
I'm not
one,
gonna try
right?
this.
So if you want to have like a high calorie burning workout in a short period of time, you can do the same movement,
Right.
Right. So you're going to lunge forward and you're going to pull back,
Right.
Lunge and pull. It's like picking up an object. So you can do like opposite as well. You're going to do opposite. So it's like really burns you up. Why don't you
It's
try?
either the cable cross or, if you have like a well at home, just drawing a lot of water from
Yeah,
the well.
exactly.
Same
yeah.
thing.
That's
Same
fine.
thing.
Yeah. As long as you are working on the body, that's fine.
You want me to do it, huh?
Yeah. Why not?
It's literally dragging me
Yeah.
towards it.
Right. So step. Alternate,
And the other
lean
thing,
forward, yeah.
just take like a crazy pack of dogs for a walk. You get the same thing out of this.
Yeah.
Right?
If they're pulling you.
If they definitely
Yeah.
will be pulling me.
Okay, right.
Right. Just
So you're going to step forward, lean and pull back.
Step forward.
Yeah, lean and pull back. Yeah, pull back. Yeah, and you're gonna replace the legs. Yeah.
Should I go?
Yeah, don't
forward?
lean back. Don't lean
Alright.
back. So you're gonna step forward and you're gonna pull back. That's it. To
Right.
starting position. So that's another workout.
Just don't let the weights rest,
Yeah.
right?
Yep. And you can switch to the legs. Okay. First to the right and step back. See, what I want you to do, because this is advanced, you'll have some complicated issues, right? So what I want you to do, you're gonna step and you're gonna pull. So this is like actually advanced motion, like once you get the proper technique. So
Right.
there are plenty of options. You'll be burning more calories.
Right.
So that's
By the way, this is a pretty sturdy piece of equipment, right? It's not
Yeah.
going to break. No.
no.
No. Well, this is muscle isolation part 3. We're working on the back
Exactly. Yeah.
and what else? Just
The upper back, your mid back, and the lower back. Lower back, in sense like your. If you turn it around, I'll show the viewers like again. Yeah. Right. So we'll be working on this region, the sides, right, that region, and the mid back.
Basically the back.
Back. Yeah.
All right.
Not the lower back. Though.
And we got the dumbbells again.
Yeah.
But tell us, Ranil, how come the dumbbells does not act as a, or rather the dual cable cross doesn't act as a proper substitute for the dumbbells?
Yeah, because like in the dual cable, it uses the pulley system. So
Right.
that's something called like variable resistance.
Right.
So as you pull due to the pulley system, your resistance will be varying throughout the range of motion of the muscle or the movement. Right. But in dumbbells, this is like constant. Right. The weight is constant.
True.
So you have the weight throughout the motion on a constant base. So it's better to do like both ways. And if you are using your next question, I assume it's like the band, right? If
It
you're
wasn't
using-
going to be the next question,
Okay.
but all right.
Okay, right. Okay, so if you're using the bands, like the resistance bands, it gives you like two-way resistance.
Right.
So you have like a pulling and pushing action throughout. So it's best, I mean, better to like work out with like all three pieces of equipment if you can.
If-
Vary the workout, like
Yeah.
Yeah,
So that
so-
you don't get bored with it.
exactly, yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So
And
another
we have the
option
ball
for
in
the back region.
Do
I
we need
think,
this? We
Yeah, I
need
need
this.
it.
Alright.
I need it. Right. So you're gonna bend one leg.
Right.
Place it on the ball. Right. And you're gonna have like a flat back right there. Right. So from this position, you're gonna pull it back slightly and bring it down. So that actually working on your rear delts, the back of the shoulders, and the areas I've shown you before. So you're gonna pull it in and back. You're gonna. Okay. Go. Try it out.
Right. But before I actually move on to doing the exercise, we want to know your contact details for anybody who's interested.
Yeah, you can come to Otone Fitness, or like you can log on to www.otonefitness.com, or you can email me anytime, ranil@otonefitness.com.
Right. And InStyle is also on Facebook. You can add us. It's in space style. It's not together. Let's have fun, and hopefully we'll be uploading some bloopers. Those are the funnest, guys. You have to watch it. All right, so let's get on with it, huh?
Right.
If you can hold the ball, Ranil.
Yes. Yep.
Should I come to this side? Is it
Yeah,
easier?
it's up to you. Yeah, up to you.
All right.
Right. And you're gonna take the weight to the other side. Right. And you're gonna place.
If we're gonna have this leg, then the the
in the opposite
dumbbell
side.
go
Yeah. Opposite side.
on the other side.
Yeah.
Right.
Right. You're gonna lean forward slightly and place your back right there.
Right.
Right. So let me come that way. Right.
My weight should be resting on the
ball, yeah. So this is actually, then you're going to pull back slightly and look straight and go down from the waist. As you do that, you're going to exhale, right? So as the viewers can see, you'll be feeling it right here and there, right?
And I feel like one of those, macho guys lifting dumbbells. Woo!
Just for a change. Okay, right.
It's not that heavy.
No,
I'm
it's
wondering
about
how
10
I can
pounds, yeah.
manage. All
Yeah.
right. Right, I do
Yeah.
feel it after some
Okay.
time.
Right.
So, anything else that we can actually create with this?
With the dumbbells, yeah?
But you know what? Let's just leave it at that, because Ranil wants to be the star of this Insta personal trainer bit. So we're gonna end things with him doing his favorite pose, the macho with the dumbbell on the stability ball. All right,
What?
go. Go.
Okay, trainer. Okay, so this is the motion where we are going to do it, right? If you want to like change the intensity or like change the exercise, you're just going to turn it horizontally,
Right.
and you're going to pull it back.
All
So
right.
that will work on the upper back as well.
Right, Ranil got his 5 seconds of fame, and we'll be seeing you guys next week. Until next week, be safe, be sound, be happy. We'll see you next week then.
Okay, see you next
Bye.
week. Bye.